Hi, let's talk about self-dividing numbers. A self-dividing number is a number that's divisible by every digit it contains. So for example, 1 to 8 is a self-dividing number because 182 mod 1 equals 0, mod 2 equals to 0, mod 8 equals to 0. So we just have to find the range between left and right and list out all of the numbers that is self-dividing numbers. So since you are going to return a list of integer, right? So I'm going to say list of integer and then answer equal to new array list. And at the end, I just have to return an answer, right? So the range is between left and right. So from in num equal to left, num less than equal to right, and then num plus plus. So in this question, I need a helper function to check. Does this number valid? So I'm going to say boolean valid for in num. So I would say if this number is valid, then I just add to the list. So if valid at num, then I would just add the num into the list. So how do I actually need to write a valid function? So the valid function, I need to know is a digit mod 10 is equal to 0, I return false. And if the number mod the digit, I mean any digit you mod 10, right, it's not equal to 0, you return false. So I have a 10 value that store the nums, and while num is not equal to 0, you need to keep divide by 10, right? Num will pass to divide by 10 for every single time, right? But in digit is the every single time you mod 10, right? So if digit is equal to 0, you return false, right? You can have this number in a valid function. And also if the 10, the original value, if the original value mod a digit is not equal to 0, you return false, right? So this is two conditions, and you can actually rewrite it to this one, and this will be pretty much the solution. At the end, just return true. So let's just run the code to see if I have any questions, error or not. Alright, this is pretty standard. So yes, it's pretty easy. So let's talk about time and space complexity. So the space, if you add every single number into the list of array, list of integer, right? They will consider the size of the size between left and right, right? So the space will become, for example, I would say the size between right minus left. So that is the size of the right minus left complexity for space, and also for the time, because you need to traverse all of size of r minus l numbers in the for loop. So that would this will be time and space complexity solution, and that will be the solution. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, like the video if you feel it's helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.